Number 7, a static sprint goal. According to the Scrum guide, the scope may be clarified or renegotiated between the product owner and development team as more is learned. So this means that the sprint goal can either be extended, there is room for more, or could be reduced. So there was over-optimism when picking the stories, or probably the sprint goal can be reached with less effort than originally thought. Other reasons to renegotiate the sprint goal, for example, is that the technology is not working as expected. There are some issues. You run into technical debt, capacity changes. These are all very valid issues to talk about. Do we really need to have the sprint goal as we originally agreed upon? And of course, this is a question of negotiation.